The Curse of the Oak Island stars Marty Lagina and his older brother Rick have been trying to uncover the mystery surrounding Oak Island for several years. It was in the year 2013 when they first decided to leave everything behind and became involved with the island. Around the same time, History Network approached the Lagina brothers to produce a series featuring their exploits. They jumped right into the opportunity and the rest is history. The Lagina brothers have been appearing in the series since 2014 and its fame has reached the far corners of the world. Fans are always curious to know more about the Lagina duo.
Guys,
Hi.
well, has he danced yet?
In the previous episode, we talked about the older brother Rick, for which you can find the link above. And today, we're going to talk about Marty.
Who knows what may be excavated out of that? Who knows how many more items?
In this video, we will find out about his early age, how he got into treasure hunting, his marital life, and many other interesting facts. But before getting into the video, make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update on your favorite star. He grew up in Iron Mountain. Martin was born on August 26, 1955 in Kingsford, Michigan, the third child between Anne Cavalieri and George Lagina. He spent the major portion of his childhood in Iron Hill, Michigan, alongside his three siblings, sisters Marianne and Therese and brother Rick. Talking about his education, Marty studied at the Kingsford High School from where he graduated in 1973. Marty is a geek. Well, he isn't your average treasure hunter. He is a well-read man who graduated with a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from Michigan Tech. But wait, he didn't stop there. He even received a Juris Doctorate with honors in the field of law from the University of Michigan. He worked as an engineer consultant. After his graduation, Marty started working as a petroleum engineer for Amoco Production Company. Soon after he joined the law school, he began working as an independent petroleum engineer and did consulting for several companies around Michigan. Marty made millions from his gas and wind energy business. The younger Lagina brother made huge amount of money from his business venture in the energy sector. In early 1980s, he founded the firm Terra Energy Private Limited, an oil and gas exploration and production company. His company quickly made a lot of money through its many technologically advanced technology. In 1995, Marty sold his company to CMS Energy for a staggering $58 million. At the time of sale, the company had become the largest operator of gas wells in Michigan. Soon after, he ventured into the wind business. As of now, Marty is the majority owner of Heritage Sustainable Energy, a renewable energy provider. His Oak Island journey, how it all began. It was his older brother Rick who first discovered about the ever so elusive Oak Island. He had read about it in a Reader's Digest article back in 1965. Upon learning about it, he also shared it with his younger brother Marty, and he too became intrigued by it. Since then, both of them wanted to unravel all the mystery surrounding this Nova Scotia situated island. Although during their younger days, both of them weren't able to give their full time to this, they got into it after retiring or making big bucks from their career. Marty bought a major portion of the Oak Island alongside others. Throughout the early 2000s, Marty, Rick, and few other curious individuals were following all the incidents going on in the island. Then in 2004, Marty, along with his brother and few other people, bought one half of 80% of the island. In the beginning, the process was quite rocky due to some legal disputes with the Canadian government and a previous owner of the land. After all the process was done, the group from Traverse City, Michigan decided to start digging. But then, at the same time, History Network approached the Lagina brothers. The network wanted to produce a show regarding their treasure hunting journey. The very next year in 2014, the show made its debut. His personal life. Although his older brother Rick is quite private when it comes to his personal life, we know a little bit about the younger Lagina brother. For the past decade or so, Marty has been married to Margaret Olivia Lagina, an English woman. The lovers share two children between them, Alexandra Holtz and Madeline Mary Lagina. His net worth. He has gained a substantial amount of money from his gas and wind energy business. He sold his company, Terra Energy Limited, for a whopping $58 million. He then went on to invest this money to another firm and subsequently earned a lot more money. Marty is an excellent businessman with his investment in variety of sectors. He is the founder of Marine Vineyard, a winery based in Traverse City. Further, he also earns money from his wind farms that are scattered across Michigan. As of now, his total net worth is around $100 million. Well, that is all for today. Make sure you comment down below and tell us which celebrity you would like to hear about next. And don't forget to hit the link above to find out about Marty's older brother Rick.